Should do a wheel swap to that. That'd be nice. Hold on. Oh, this is the treasure hunt. Congratulations, you just found the treasure hunt. Look at that. Ford GT Race. That's the regular treasure hunt. Okay, so we got put that to the side. Got the regular treasure hunt. Maserati. Now, dude, we got the super. Oh, that's nice. Lamborghini Roadster. Like that. Like that. Put that to the side. Now I have every color. Got blue, white, black, red. Okay, Ferrari HP. I like that. The F1 cars are nice. The detail is nice. How many of these they give me? So another Maserati. That's 2 of those. That design of that car is nice. I like it. Then we got, let's see, Instant Boost. Yeah, the key swap. Key swap is pretty nice. I like the color this time. It's actually a nice one. Another Honda E. Ooh, Mazda RX-3. That is nice. I like the color. I like the color of the rims. Detail on the rims is pretty nice. Gordon Murray Automotive. Green. Another green car, but this one's pretty nice too. A little roadster car. The Morgan Super in a different color this time. This is nice. I like this Mustang Shelby GT500. There was another color variant. I think I have that one too. I think it was blue. Pretty sure I have that one. Then we got the custom 72 Chevy Love. This is actually pretty nice. It's all tubbed out. That's nice. Got some big slicks on it. Okay. We have another Doro tune. We have the La Troca. Ah, that one's tubbed out too. It's nice. I like this truck. The customization on this truck is really nice. It's another one I'll put to the side. Oh, I see it. I see it. Oh, I see it. Super treasure hunt. I got lucky with the case. I got lucky with the case. Oh, man. This is nice. Oh, man. Ordered this in October, and it finally came here, and I got lucky with the case. Look at that. Honda Custom. This is my second Hot Wheels case I ever ordered. I'm leaving that right there. Leaving those two right there in the background. I got lucky with the case. That's crazy. Another Toretto. Eggshell. And an Aston Martin. But look at that. Wow. That is awesome. That is so awesome.